Hello guys, review smartphone Honor 8S. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. Device in the blue color. Okay, in completion we have quick guide, key for SIM slot, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all completion. Okay, and now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side camera and LED. On the front side 5.7-inch display, front camera and talk speaker. On the left side slot, this slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Downside micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Upside headphone jack. Okay, turn on. Open settings, look Android version, about phone, Android version 9, version UMI 9.0.1. Okay, close this. IPS metrics, open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. Resolution display PPA, GPU PowerVR G8300, CPU MediaTek MT6761. This is quad-core processor, CPU speed 2 GHz, RAM memory 2 GB, internal memory 32 GB, and we have micro SD slot. Okay, look results. CPU test results and GPU test results. Okay. Open AnTuTu benchmark, look AnTuTu score, device support 10 touches, very good, and look ranking. Ranking load. Okay. Close AnTuTu benchmark and open the modded game Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the max graphic level. Start game. Okay, game works not bad. We can play on the max graphic level with little lags, but we can play. It's fine level. Okay, good. And open next test. Main camera 30 megapixel, front camera 5 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.